Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD, is basically flat on the day as of right now, but we do expect some volatility to come into this stock because we do have the stock ARM. So ARM IPOing today. And again, this is another chip maker, so we should be seeing some movement in AMD, and we should also be seeing some movement in Intel, and that's why we uploaded a video on Intel just before this one. But let's go over the key levels that we're paying attention to. We'll quickly cover the supports first because that's what we are closer to. So 104.80, this is our first deviation support. The way I'll be using this level is if on the IPO release we get a quick sell-off, this could be that nice potential area to get in long and try and capture that upside move. Now, if it's just taken quite negatively and we do continue to sell off, we do have the 1 year first deviation level at 99.50, but what you can see is we also have the 1 year or year to date anchored VWAP also at this level. So it's kind of two strong resistances at the same level. So definitely something we'll be looking at as a support. Now, if we go lower, we do have another support at 87.70. Just wanted to note that so we have it locked down. But again, that would be quite a big move required to get us anywhere near there in the few weeks or so. Good looking forward. Now, to push into the resistances, which again, we're quite far off of, and that's why we covered the supports first, because these are more the likely levels that we hit. But as of right now, obviously, we have been hugging this first deviation over on AMD for a while, which means for us to get to the overbought areas is going to take us quite a while, because we need to break through our fair value area, which is currently between 120 and 122. So we would need to break through this level, and then we start having our upside targets and strong resistances at 139 to 139.50, which again is our first deviation between the 6 month and the 1 year, which would kind of be that main focus. But again, considering we got the IPO today, just want to really see the volatility come off on this. Support at 104.80, and if we had quite a big move to the downside, 99.50, and targets to the upside, considering we're so far out and this would probably only be a day trade, we could be using our 3 month anchored VWAP, which would be around 111.70, and also just a psychological level really at 110 is kind of the targets I'd be looking at from an intraday perspective. But again, if we're holding this for the longer term, then obviously fair value we could look to target at 120. And if we wanted to hold through that, we have 139 as those further out targets. But that would also require a 52-week high. So again, quite a far push as of right now.